Welcome to The Explainer, where we break down the big topics. Today, we're diving right into macOS Tahoe, the latest major update for the Mac, and we're going to break down exactly what these key changes mean for you and your daily workflow.
So Apple just dropped macOS Tahoe 26.4, and the big question is this really the biggest upgrade your Mac has seen in years? Let's unpack it, because it looks like it's designed to fundamentally change how you work, how you connect, and how you create.
All right, first up, let's talk about a feature that tackles a problem I think we all have, just pure desktop chaos. Apple is introducing a brand new way to handle multitasking.
You know the feeling, right? Your screen just becomes this chaotic sea of overlapping windows, and trying to find the one you need feels impossible. If that's you, you're not alone, and it seems like Apple has been listening because they've built a feature to solve this exact problem.
It's called Stage Manager, and the whole idea here isn't just about hiding windows. It's about intelligently organizing them. Really, it's all about focus. Stage Manager keeps the app you're working on right in front of you, front and center, while all your other open apps are neatly arranged on the left, ready for a single click.
So how does it actually work? Well, it's surprisingly simple. Your main window is right in the middle. Everything else you have open becomes a neat little thumbnail on the side. To switch, you just click. But here's the real game changer. You can group apps together. Imagine having your research, your Word doc, and your notes all bundled into one workspace for a project. It's all designed to help you focus on one thing at a time.
Sticking with that idea of integration, our next feature completely rethinks video calls. It's a core part of Apple's whole continuity philosophy. You know, the idea that all your devices should just work together seamlessly. And this one leverages the device you already have in your pocket.
Come on, let's be real for a second. We've all been on those grainy, poorly lit video calls. For all the amazing power inside our laptops, the built-in webcams often feel like a total afterthought. Well, Tahoe has a brilliant solution that uses the incredibly powerful camera system you're already carrying around.
And this is it. Continuity camera. Your Mac just automatically recognizes your iPhone when it's nearby, letting you use it as a super high-quality wireless webcam. And this unlocks some amazing software features like Center Stage, which literally follows you as you move around. And then there's the really clever Desk View, which uses the ultra-wide lens to show both your face and a perfect top-down view of your desk at the same time.
Okay, so those two are the big headliners, for sure. But this update is also packed with some really significant quality of life improvements for the apps that, let's face it, you probably use every single day.
First up, there's a brand new app called Freeform. The best way to think of it is like a limitless digital whiteboard for your ideas. You can sketch things out, you can drop in files, add web links, and this is the crucial part for how we work now. You can collaborate with your whole team in real time. And of course, it syncs everywhere: Mac, iPad, and iPhone.
Oh man, Messages is finally getting some features we've all been asking for. We've all sent that message with the embarrassing typo, or maybe fired one off to the wrong person. Well, now you can actually edit a message right after you send it, or even unsend it completely if you're quick enough. It's a small change, but wow, what a relief.
And it's not just Messages. The Mail app is also getting a big intelligence boost. You can now undo a sent email, schedule messages to go out at the perfect time, and even get smart reminders to follow up on things. These are features that are really designed to give you way more control over your inbox.
Now, in Safari, Apple is making a really big push for a future without passwords. It's called passkeys. And this new approach gets away from that old vulnerable system of trying to remember a million complex passwords. Instead of a password that can be stolen in a data breach, passkeys use a unique digital key that's stored securely right on your device, which makes it almost impossible to phish.
And hey, for anyone who's ever tried to manage family photos, this one's for you. There's now the iCloud Shared Photo Library. This creates a totally separate, collaborative library where up to 6 people can all add, edit, and enjoy a collective set of memories. It just works.
So, all those app updates are things you'll see and interact with every day. But Apple has also made some really critical changes that you won't see, but you will definitely feel.
Yeah, under the hood, macOS Tahoe is packed with crucial security patches and a ton of performance optimizations. You might not see a new button for these things, but they're always working in the background to make your Mac feel more responsive and, more importantly, to keep it protected against new threats.
Okay, so you're sold. You're ready to upgrade. The process itself is super straightforward, but there are a couple of really important steps you need to take first.
Seriously, before you click anything, the #1 most crucial step is to back up your Mac. I can't say this enough.
Use Time Machine, use a different service, whatever you prefer, but having that backup is your safety net. And it's probably a good idea to do a quick check to make sure your Mac model is on the official compatibility list.
All right, once you're backed up and ready to go, the process itself couldn't be easier. Just open up your system settings, head over to General, then Software Update, and the macOS Tahoe upgrade should be sitting right there waiting for you. Just click and follow the steps.
So, when you kind of zoom out and look at the big picture, macOS Tahoe isn't just a random collection of features. It's an update with a really clear vision to make your workflow way more fluid with tools like Stage Manager, and to keep blurring the lines between your devices with things like Continuity Camera.
And all of this really leaves us with a fascinating question to chew on. As Apple continues to build this incredibly tight ecosystem, where your Mac and your iPhone and your iPad all act like one single brain, what does that actually mean for the future of computing? Where does one device end and the next one begin? It's definitely something to think about.